Our final stop on the tour of the INE business platform is the playlists section of the account. By now, we've shown you how to manage your users, create teams, and view your account's engagement. So now we'll guide you on how to create custom playlists of INE courses and assign them to your team. To create a playlist, click the Create Playlist button. Name your playlist and leave a short description if you'd like. To differentiate, you can also choose a color for the playlist you're creating. Once it's created, you'll be able to start adding content into your playlist. You can search for courses by typing a keyword or phrase. Once you've found the courses you want for your playlist, you can select them to add them in. The information icon here will show you a brief description of the course, what activities are included, and it will give you a link to open the course in a new tab on my.ine.com. In addition to INE courses, you can also add in external links. If you have an internal landing page for training, you can add that here, enabling you to blend our material with your resources. Once you've selected your courses and added any links, you can start assigning users to the playlist. It will showcase all users on the account who are not assigned to this playlist, so select them all or just a handful. Once the playlist is fully created, you'll be able to go in and see more details. You can add separate sections within the playlist itself. The added flexibility of the sections lets you set up the playlist to complement your training initiatives and goals. As users are engaging with the playlist content, you'll see their activities and progress at the bottom of the page. It's now up to you to make use of the playlist feature and to get your team up and running. That wraps up our tour of the INE business platform. If you have any questions, please feel free to refer back to any of these walkthrough videos or reach out directly to your INE success team.